We are here inside the cts-v.
Oh wow, this is my brand new cts-v, guys.
Yeah. But we are linking up with my buddy Frank, aka James, aka Bopa D. We're gonna go link up with him. Go check out his Type R. This is like a last minute. This is a last minute shoot. But we're gonna check out his Type R. Maybe see what the V does against the Type R, baby. Alright, so we're here at the Rural Farms we're supposed to meet him at. We're gonna go to a place like right behind here and check this Type R out, but we're just waiting for him. So when he gets here, I'm gonna see you guys with the Type R. Alright, so he showed up, you know what I'm saying? What's your Instagram?
Frank_back.
Franks_back? Alright, you guys gotta go check him out because he posts a lot about this Type R. But dang, this thing is dope. I didn't know it had like that natural like wide body look to it. Got the little triple exhaust. But we're gonna grab some pictures and then a little bit of video too. So it's got the nice seats. Oh. This wrap is hard. Alright guys, so he wants a like roller shot. So I mean, I haven't really done rolling shots in the nighttime, and I haven't used my mirrorless camera yet, like in the nighttime. So this is a good time to like figure this thing out. So we're gonna go. He needs to grab some gas. He wants to grab some shell gas. So there's a shell up here, and we're gonna see if we can get a dope roller for him. And then after that, we're probably gonna go mess around, probably get a couple pulls in, and then see how the Type R performs. But what you know about that Maserati across the street though, stunting big hard. So he's got to grab the gas real quick, and we're probably gonna hop in the Type R. Quick transition to the mirrorless camera. Oh man! Hey, you got the little bucket seats too. That's sick. So what does it come with from the factory?
Basically everything. I did these little red knobs and shit.
Man, that's dope.
Yeah, I did the console illumination with lights on the side, and then I put the wireless charger in. That's like a fucking necessity.
Oh, what? That's hard.
Yeah.
What's that, R mode?
Yeah, that's where we're gonna live.
Yeah, baby. We went to Mexico. We finished up the shoot with the Type R. If you guys actually want to go see the pictures and stuff we took, go check us out on Instagram right here. But right now we're gonna go check out a race because I guess someone set up a race and we were getting ready to leave and we saw all the cars lined up, so we already know where we're going. So we're gonna go check that out, catch us a race, and yeah, let's see who's gonna do the racing. Mustang. Everybody's running. Ayo. My man's Chris just walking all. Like, what is one cop gonna get everybody?
I ain't going back.
Yeah.
They get me. I ain't going back.
Oh shit. Nah, bro. Nah, bro.
See, yeah, you can. Another cop showed up at the car meet part 2. So,
Drift.
Surprise drift by Anthony.
Yeah, dude, cross sideways out this bitch.
We're about to follow Austin.
Hey, bitch.
Anthony's on the hunt.
Don't you look at me like that. I'm on the hunt for freaking Audis.
We're going to Wally World, alright? Going to go pick up some fucking travel pack, toothpaste and toothbrushes, you know?
I need some diapers.
You need some diapers, alright? We're gonna get you from freaking diapers, Walmart.
City, I'm the realest one that's reppin'. Oh my God, if I die, I'm a legend. When they lay me down to rest, I know I was always reppin'. Oh my God, my whole life, my words been my greatest weapon.